Hello dear friends, in this video we will talk about operators in Java. Before moving toward the operators, we must have a slight introduction towards the operators and we will understand some of the basic terms that are related with the operator. So the operator is something that has been used for the operation purposes. So there are many operators that are used in Java. Like say we have some arithmetic operators where we use C plus, minus. As of there are a lot operators, like we have the logical operator, there are assignment operators, there are comparison operators, and there are a lot operators. But the basic purpose of each and every operator is something different. But in this video, we will not talk about wholly solely about the operators like arithmetic operator, assignment operator. We will look out the same in next video. But in this video, we must understand some of the basic terminology that are related with the operator. The first concept that is with regarding the operator, that is the constants. So constants are the quantity that is being used in Java programming so that it will not change till the execution of a program. So for example, if we have if we use for example 6, we already know that 6 will not be 7 unless and until we will not put it as a dynamic. But we have slightly look about the dynamic and static approach where we are taking input from the user. We have shown the things that once we go for the static approach, we say that unless and until we will not change the programming demonstration from the backend side, it will not get changed. So the constant term is something, say, till the execution of a program, the quantity will not be changed. But in C and C++, the constants were the concept something different, but in Java the concept is something different. But definition is same, but their way and behavior is something different, and their syntactical way is something different. How we are actually declaring and initializing our constant in Java program. We generally go with the something like this. As there is a static, as we know that static will not make the change in our Java program. It says that whatever the memory that need this file as an integer type, I will allocate the things before to it. That means on the compile time we are allocating the memory with the help of static keyword. This final keyword is used that the user has taken this file in a programming point of view. It will not get changed to the execution of a program. That means we are actually creating a stem on it that it will not get changed. So this was the concept that were related with the constants in Java. But that is not the final. We'll look out some another terms right here. The term is operands. Say operands are like on which we are performing operations. So for example, if I have to put 2 plus 2, now this 2 plus 2 is will give us the 4. Say which one is operand and which one is operator. Say for example, if we say 2 and this 2, these are clear our operands. That means on which we are performing operation. I hope this is very clear to you. Now, inside the dynamic programming approach, we take a user input, for example, A, we take a user input, for example, B, and we say A plus B, we put this thing into C. I hope you have written down this programming perspective. Now the thing is, this A and B are also a type of operands, but they are in a dynamic approach, they are in a dynamic way, and the C is just the final result which is being carried out by operating A plus B. Now this was the introduction to the operands. Now if we talk about the another term, that is our game changing, that is the operator. Now the operator is actually being used to carry on the operations. Say there are different operators, as I have earlier told you, that arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, a lot operators are there. Say for example, I'll say minus operator. I'll say for example, I will take one operand 4 and another operand as 2. I'll say minus equal to, I know it is equal to 2. As of now, I'll say this is 4 is my operand and 2 is my operand. This minus will act as an operator in between. That means which actually performs in between the operand, which actually guides our operands what to do. That is actually an instructor to our operands what to do. and and operators has been given an instruction go for the subtraction, and after the subtraction they will provide us the result. Now the operator is something that has been used as a guide to the operators to let them know what to do. Say for example, if my operand is the divide, I say 6 divided by 2. For example, I know the answer will be 3. Now the divide is here operand which tells our the divide is act as an operator right here which tells 6 and 2 what to do. 6 divided by 2 is actually 3, which guide us know 6 and 2. So this was the operator that has been used in Java. Let's move towards our next term, and we will look out one more important term that has been used in Java programming. That is an expression. Now what actually the expression is? Expression is actually to combine constant terms plus operands and with operators. This become an expression. Say for example, I won't go for 4 plus, for example, say 2 divided by 1 multiplied by, say for example, 6. What is its answer? That's something different, but this will act as an expression. In expression we say that everything, it is an operand, there is an operator, plus there are some constant values that are being used, that would be used in a single line. That's called an expression. In the next video we will talk about types of operator.